Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss some important MCQs of Every Man in His Humor by Ben Jonson. So Ben Jonson was a famous English dramatist and poet. He is known for his comedy of humor. Johnson's first original play was Every Man in His Humor. That is the topic of today's discussion. So without any further ado, let's get started. First question is, who wrote Every Man in His Humor? Abuben, Ben Jonson, Dr. Johnson, or none of these? Ben Jonson. Next question, when was Ben Jonson born? 1572, 1547, 1637, or 1673? 1572 is the right answer. What was full name of Ben Jonson? Samuel Johnson, Samuel Ben Jonson, Benjamin Johnson, Benedict Johnson, or none of these? Benjamin Johnson was the full name of Ben Jonson. Next question. Ben Jonson died in 1637, 1870, 1673, or 1630. So the right answer here is 1637. Next question, which was Ben Jonson's first comedy? Every Man Out of His Humor, The Silent Woman, Volpone, or Every Man in His Humor? Every Man in His Humor. Next question here is, Every Man in His Humor was performed in 1590, 1880, 1598, or 1580? Right answer here is 1598. Next question, Ben Jonson wrote Comedy of Manners, Comedy of Errors, Comedy of Humors, or Comedy of Intrigue? Comedy of Humors. Next, the earth is a combination of dash qualities: cold and moist, cold and dry, cold and hot, or dry and moist? Cold and dry. The water is a combination of dash qualities: dry and moist, cold and moist, hot and moist, or hot and cold? Cold and moist. Next, air is a combination of dash hot and cold, hot and dry, hot and moist, or cold and moist? Hot and moist. Fire is a combination of dash qualities: moist and hot, hot and dry, moist and cold, or moist and dry? Hot and dry. The melancholic disposition nature has qualities of cold and dry, cold and hot, cold and moist, or moist and dry? Cold and dry. A phlegmatic disposition has qualities of hot and cold, cold and moist, cold and dry, or hot and moist? Cold and moist is the right answer. A courageous, hopeful, amorous disposition has qualities of cold and moist, dry and cold, or hot and moist? Hot and moist. A choleric disposition has qualities of hot and cold, hot and dry, hot and moist, or dry and moist? Hot and dry. Human body is composed of dash: earth and air, earth and water, air and water, none of these? Earth and water. Human soul is composed of fire and water, fire and earth, fire and air, or none of these? So human soul is composed of fire and air. Who is Old Novel's son? Stephen, Welbred, Edward, or Cobb? Edward. Who was Edward's beloved? Bridget Kiteley, Tib, Dame Kiteley, or none? Bridget Kiteley. Who is water carrier? Brainworm, Cash, Cope, or Formal? Cope. Next is who is Novel's servant? Stephen, Brainworm, Kiteley, or Cope? Brainworm. Who is Wellbraid's half brother? Stephen, Matthew, none, or Downright? Downright. Who is Downright's brother in law? Edward, Kiteley, Cope, or Bobadil? Bobadil, Kiteley. Who is Justice Clement's clerk? Thomas Cash, Roger Formal, Oliver Cope, or none of these? Roger Formal. Who is a merchant? Novel, Kiteley, Wellbraid, or Stephen? Kiteley. Who is Cope's wife? Tib, Bridget, Dame, or none? Tib. Who recites stolen verses to win ladies' heart? Edward, Stephen, Cope, or Matthew? Matthew. Who is interested in hawking and hunting? Edward, Matthew, Stephen, or none of them? Stephen. Who is a magistrate? Clement, Formal, Novel, or Wellbraid? Clement. Or we can say Justice Clement. Next, who is disguised as an ex-soldier? Brainworm, Kiteley, Cope, Stephen? Brainworm. Who is disguised as Roger Formal? Cope, Stephen, Kiteley, or Brainworm? Brainworm. Who is Country Ghoul in the play? Matthew, Stephen, Cope, or none of these? Stephen. Who is a Town Ghoul? Matthew, Stephen, Downright, or none of them? Matthew. Who is too drunk to be stripped? Cope, Formal, Matthew, or none of them? Formal. Who regards himself as a cuckold? Cope, Bobadil, Kiteley, or Matthew? Kiteley. That's it for today's video. Comment down if I have missed any question. Also tell us what kind of video you want to see next on our channel. I really hope you find this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe now for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. You can find the link in the description box. We will meet super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye.